In this video, I'm going to quickly go over how to format the output. In the last program I wrote, which I copy and pasted here, we calculated the area and volume of the cylinder, and we asked the user to input their radius and height. Well, whenever we outputted that, there were a whole lot of decimals, and the user probably really didn't care about getting that much precision. So here I'm just going to show you how to change that up a little bit. I'm going to type in system.out.printf. Start our parentheses and our quotation marks. Then type in whatever message you want to give. In this case, area with 2 decimals is, put a comma, and then we type in our arguments, which is, argument is just a variable, basically. In this case, we want to do the area, so we type in area. Oh, one more thing. At the end of the message that we type, we need to type in a %sign, and then whatever format we want we type in a number, a decimal, another number to tell the computer how to format this. So let's go 4.2f, and then this 0.2 here just tells the computer to have 2 decimal places. Here, this didn't tell the computer anything, it's just telling it what to type. Then we'll end this with a semicolon, and then we'll have one more print statement. .printf, very similar to the other. This time we'll do volume with 4 decimals is. This time we'll choose a big number. We'll choose %. Let's go 19.3f. So we should have 3 decimal places of accuracy. And then I want to show you something with that 19. So we, in the quotation marks, put a comma and type in volume because that's what we want to display with that much accuracy. I'll hit Shift F6 to run this. Type in radius, so we'll just choose a random radius and height. Okay, this actually ended up a little bit different than I expected. I forgot to do something, but that's good because it's a teaching moment. Anyways, here, do you see where it says volume with 4 decimals is, and then it has a huge space there? Well, it's enough space for 16 characters. It has the 3 normal ones, so 19 minus 3, there is enough space for 16 right there. But what I did wrong is I printed both of these on the same line. So what I can do to fix that, I can either go in here and just type in a system.printline. The print line is basically like hitting the enter key, so it goes down a line. Alright, so I'll show you that fixes it. So I'll just hit in some numbers, and it has brought these down. Notice the area and these two areas are the same. We just have a little bit more accuracy up here. We've got a few more decimal places. And the volumes are the same numbers, they're just different accuracy. So, let's see. Normally I do like 3 or 4 depending on what you want your output to be. Let's go 3.3f, and let's just do 3.3f up here to make it all similar. Notice we are getting our number right up along the word is, so we'll put some spaces in there. And then I want to show you one more way to write this system.out.println. So we'll take that out. And the other way to do that is you hit a slash. I get backslash and forward slash confused, but it's that one right there. I don't know the names of them. That's the one just above the enter key. And you hit N. And that is basically like a system.out.println before this line. It stands for new, I think. So hit Shift F6. Type in our values, and everything is on a separate area. If we want to put another space, we can put an N there. So that will separate both these two print statements from everything else. See, the print statements we care about are at the bottom. And then we can do a few more things. we can actually hit that end thing in the middle of the line. So you see I just added area width, then I'll go to the next line and type 2 decimals, and then it'll give the area. So that looks kind of funky. There's a space right before the word 2, which is why we have this indentation. And then one more thing that you can do while I'm on the subject of it is a tab key. So after you hit N, or you type is, you can type in the same slash there and T, and that will actually put a tab there, as you'll see right now. There it is, there's that tab that I typed in. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll be putting some more up whenever I can.